What if I told you that saving too much money could actually ruin your life? Sounds crazy, right? But according to the book Die with Zero, the goal isn't to die rich. It's to die with $0 and maximum life experiences. Let's break down why everything you've been taught about saving money might be wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Die with Zero by Bill Perkins, a book that completely flips traditional thinking about money, retirement, and life. The core idea of this book is simple. Money is only valuable when you use it to create meaningful experiences. Most people spend their lives saving, investing, and delaying enjoyment, thinking they'll finally live after retirement. But here's the problem. You might not have the health. You might not have the time. And worst of all, you might not even be alive. So instead of maximizing your bank balance, the book argues you should maximize your life experiences. Because at the end of your life, your wealth doesn't matter. Your memories do. The main idea is simple but powerful. Your goal shouldn't be to die rich. It should be to die having lived fully. Most people treat money like the end goal. But Perkins says money is just a tool to buy experiences, freedom, and memories. Because in the end, your life is the sum of your experiences, not your savings. Think about this. Imagine two people. Person A saves everything, retires with millions, but is too old to travel or enjoy life. Person B spends wisely throughout life, travels, learns, builds memories. Who lived better? That's the question this book forces you to answer. Some things are best done at certain ages. Traveling in your 20s, building adventures in your 30s, spending quality time with family later. If you delay everything, you lose the opportunity forever. This is one of the most powerful ideas in the book. When you invest in experiences, they keep paying you back. A trip you take today gives you happiness. When it happens, when you remember it, when you talk about it later, that's a lifetime return. We're taught to save, save, save. But no one teaches us when to stop saving and start living. Many people die with huge amounts of unused money. That's not success. That's missed opportunity. Your ability to enjoy life decreases as you age. Less energy, less physical ability, less freedom. So waiting too long to enjoy life is risky. If you want to help your family, do it when it actually matters. Money given earlier helps with education, builds a life, creates opportunities. Late inheritance, not as impactful. Now this doesn't mean spend everything recklessly, ignore saving completely. The real idea is balance. Save enough for security. Spend enough to actually live. It's about optimizing, not maximizing money. So here's the big takeaway. Life is not about having the most money. It's about having the most meaningful experiences. Because at the end, you won't count dollars. You'll remember moments.